GDS Course. What is Global Distribution Systems GDS Course? GDS Course will teach you how to price trips for all types of prices using the Amadeus Global Distribution Solution, GDS. You will have hands-on practice making use of the Interactive Worldwide Circulation Equipment, GDS, simulation device, which will aid you to assess GDS display screens appropriate to gas mileage system rates, read, analyze, and use gas mileage and transmitting fare guidelines, as well as problem tickets. The GDS course is supported by an interactive workbook and recommendation notes on GDS command, maps as well as crucial trip rates terms and also interpretations. Designed for travel sector personnel with fundamental GDS skills, this on the GDS course will help you come to be the workplace specialist. Established around traveling industry resolutions and developed for self-guided knowing with interactive simulations, you will certainly find out to price as well as ticket difficult schedules for all price types. About GDS course. Global Distribution Systems GDS course is one of the most demanded certification courses in UAE at the moment. IATA provides a Global Distribution System certification course, fare and ticketing certification course. Zabeel provides the best IATA courses. Learning outcome. Analyze GDS displays relevant to mileage system pricing. GDS fares and ticketing. Identify and price different journey types. Read, interpret, and apply fares rules. Check minimum fares rules in pricing itineraries. Use GDS to issue tickets for manually priced reservations. Significance of fare and ticketing certification in 2020. The Fares and Ticketing course provides participants with a detailed understanding of the price procedure of a guest's journey, comprehend the applicable globally fare guidelines, use the fare formula, as well as make use of a GDS to release airline tickets according to existing global requirements. Global Distribution Systems GDS program is made for pupils that wish to have a profession in the airline company or travel industry, personnel of big business in charge of making travel setups, employee of airlines, tour drivers and also internet travel suppliers. The following standard skills are needed: checking out, writing, as well as speaking in the English language. An excellent foundation of basic mathematics. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Global Distribution Systems GDS course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in the UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best fare and ticketing exam preparation courses. The fares and ticket offered by Zabeel Institute stand out from other training in the market. Fares and ticketing result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/